Hey guys, this is JJing24. This is just going to be a video of all the devices in my fire alarm collection. So, I'm also going to pull all the pull stations too. Oh, whoops. Alright, so first up is an ADT 5050-001. And then next, ADT BG12LX. Then ADT B5009. And right here we have a Cerberus Pyrotronics multi-tone horn strobe. And this, I guess this is basically their answer to the Wheelock MT. That's the way I see it. Next we have a ESL RJRMS 1TKL, my first pull station. And then we have an EST 270 SPO. I believe this is an EST GVRF HGVM Genesis. And right here we have a 293B heat detector, and this is a fixed temperature detector, so it hasn't been used yet, otherwise that metal disc would be off. Then an EST SIGA 278. And in the next row, we have my Faraday 41140, not attached to any systems right now, but will be soon. And then my Faraday coded pull station, I forget the number, or the model number on this, but it does a code of 753, so just pull that. Now my Faraday Chevrons, this one is the F1GG, this one is the F1GT, so just both pull like that. And then this is an FCI multi-tone horn strobe. It's kind of like this one, except it does less tone, and also the strobe on this one is broken. And then we have two MS2s, and this one is the one that I had to put a replacement lock on, but the lock's a bit too long, so I can't take the keys out. Right here we have a Gentex Commander 3 that I just got today, and then just realized that's in the wrong spot. And here's an FCI Spectre Alert Classic. Model number on this is P24110FC. And here we have an FCI remote strobe. I just kind of bought this because once again that strobe is broken. And here we have a fire-lite BG10LA with the extra set of annunciator leads on the back. And here we have a classic BG12. Game well right here, this is an M4628T Century. And we have a GX91W right there. And then this is a, I forget the exact model number on this, but it's a GXS strobe. Once again, a Commander 3. Now here's a Notifier BGX101L that used to be addressable, but that has been removed. And then we also have a BNG1 right here. I would pull it, except that's extremely hard to pull with one hand, so I'll just open it up, and actually modified the lock so that it opens with an EST key. It's kind of strange, but it works. I'm gonna have to put the camera down, hold on. Alright, so yeah, there's the inside of the pull station, and I'll reset all these pulls once I get through all of the devices. Then here's the newer version of the BNG1, like that, and then this is an NBG12LX, Right here we have a Pyrotronics MS501, and then here is a Siemens UMMT, forget the exact model number, and right here is a Siemens DHMCW, which is a rebranded wheel lock alarm. And then right here we have a Simplex 2099 9103. I don't have any glass on this right now, but here's another 2099 9103 that I do have the glass on. And then here we have and these actually have different backs right there, even though they're the same alarm. So here we have a 2099 9754 with the silver back, 299754 with the red back, and then another 299754 that's broken. And then here we have a 2099 9757, I believe. That, I guess I forgot to reset it, so just pull that. Oh, forgot to pull these. Yeah, this one is completely broken. But moving on, here is a 2901 9838 horn, and then right here we have a 425120. Then this is a 4903 9101 strobe plate. And this is a 4903 9217 horn. This is a 4903 9236 electronic horn. They look pretty much the same, but they're a bit different when it comes down to the details. And here we have a 4903 9425, and this alarm has a broken horn. So here's a 4903 9427. This one works. The only difference between these two is the candela rating on this strobe. And right here we have a GX94R or something like that. Yeah, rebranded by Simplex. And then right there is a Notifier 1424 4-wire ionization smoke detector. And here's a System Sensor 2424 photoelectric smoke detector. And here is a System Sensor i3. That one's pretty easy to take off. This is a 2-wire smoke detector. And here is a H1224 spectral alert horn. And then MAS 24 1575 ADA. And this is actually missing some of its clips. It was like that when I got it. So it's kind of hard to do more than like 3 tones on it. Then here is a P2R and a P4R right there. And then we have a PA400R horn and a PS24LO strobe on top of that horn. This is actually the same strobe as is on some versions of the MA/SS. And then this is a what's the model number? PC241575W ceiling mount spectral alert classic. And here is a System Sensor. Let's see the model number on this, PS2475 ADA. Quote-unquote European style horn strobe. This is kind of a rare System Sensor alarm. Then here is a S241575 spectral alert remote strobe. And we have a Wheelock 34T horn right there, a Wheelock 7002T horn strobe. These are pretty similar, except that obviously has a strobe. And I'm not sure what date this is made in. No, it's kind of hard to read. So, and Yeah, so here we have a Wheelock AS 2-wire horn strobe, and a Wheelock CH70 chime strobe, which is a nice alarm, and then Wheelock EHS DO1 right there, and then we have an MT4 horn or remote horn, and then a weatherproof MT horn strobe. And here we have a 2-wire NS, and this is a 4-wire NS, and the horn and strobe on this thing are both broken, which is too bad because it's a pretty rare version of the NS since it's 4 wires, and also it was my first alarm. And here we have an RSS strobe. It's an RSS 24 MCW, and here we have another one of the same strobes. And then here we have a Wheelock RSSP 121575W 12-volt strobe plate. And here is a Wheelock RSSP 24 MCW 24-volt strobe plate. And then of course over here we have the 4004. So that is all, and now I have to go and reset all of the poles and then put this all away.